No one loves cleaning the toilet, but you should actually give it a polish once a week. The good news is, with the right supplies and our pro tips, you can knock it out in a few minutes. The first tip is to gather all of your supplies in one handy caddy so that it is grab and go. Once you have on your gloves and start cleaning, you don't want to have to stop to get additional supplies. Fill your caddy with a good disinfecting spray, toilet bowl cleaner, and a toilet bowl brush. To wipe things down, you'll need paper towels, a cleaning rag, or a sponge. Disinfectant wipes are super handy for quick in-between cleans. You will also need a multi-purpose cleaner and a mop to clean the area around the toilet. The first step is to apply toilet bowl cleaner around the inside rim of the bowl. Then, let it soak while you clean the rest of the toilet. Next, spray the outside of the toilet with disinfectant, including the lid and the toilet seat, and let that sit for a few minutes. Next, wipe down the toilet, starting from the top and working your way down to the floor. And make sure to use plenty of paper towels and discard them often. Then, wipe down the back, front, and sides of the toilet. Pro tip, use a disinfecting wipe to clean the handle. Now that the toilet bowl cleaner has worked its magic, use a toilet bowl brush to scrub under the rim. Scrub in a circular motion from the rim to the water line. Scrub the drain hole last. Then close the lid and flush the toilet. The last thing you need to do is clean the area around the toilet. Make sure to spray the walls and the floor. Make sure to use clean paper towels to wipe around and behind the toilet and the adjacent walls. Don't forget to remove the toilet paper and wipe the holder down. Then finish up by mopping down the floors with a disinfectant and done. Super clean toilet. If you have stains in your bowl, it's most likely because of limescale, caused by hard water. The best way to remove the stains is to turn off the water valve and flush out the remaining water. This concentrates the cleaner. Then make sure to use a toilet bowl cleaner that is formulated to remove limescale. If that doesn't work, you may want to check out our video on how to install a new toilet. Now go and store your caddy until next time. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.